Hello, sir. So good day. So for the project setup on this project is for the front end, we are using Vue, which is gives us the SPA, so single page application. So as I navigate through to the other pages, it goes very smoothly without loading the entire content of the page. So next is it gives us also the option to have components, meaning we can apply or import some of the repeating sections on the page that needs that section. So for the backend is we are using Laravel, which all the API endpoints came from the Laravel. And then for database, we are using MySQL for that. So, so for my accomplishment, yesterday is right here. As you can see, I've already followed the parent modules, so it's already been done. But there are actually changes right now. So for today, my accomplishment is I commented out all the parent modules that doesn't have the page or static pages. So for now, as you can see, I actually moved some of the modules because those modules are actually under these settings modules. So as you can see here, we have user management, we have roles and permission, activity log, branch management, course title management, and then we have textbook and chapter. So for this one, as you can see right here, this is supposed to be previously was ETC. So right now it's under the ETC, both this course title management and textbook is actually on the same page. So they are divided by two columns. But since we actually have different modules or separated modules, so I separated them. So they have their own page now. So we have course title management, and then we have textbook and chapter management. So next is for the roles. This is actually the role module. So I just added this one, and then the activity log, which is a new label, activity log, but this was actually the audit log. And then for branch, I changed it to branch management. And then the company, I forgot to actually change this into account management. I think this is the one account management, but I still have to clarify it out tomorrow. And then what I did next is, as you can see here, we have the user management. So user management is actually a user list. So it's actually the same right here, except this one I think is doesn't show the students. So this is focuses more on the other roles except the students. So which as you can see here, uh, you can't actually see students right now on the table. So for the back end, what I did is I took it out. So I added another query, meaning the query will exclude student under the fetch of the users. So that's why, as you can see right here, I'm fetching the query with that, so it doesn't show the students. Next is here is the I also changed the UI of this since this one was actually using this user list, and I had actually made a different page for that for the settings and administration. So it has its own filter, then expert and end user. So, but still, this expert is still static because I'm unsure if I'm just going to use the expert employees. Actually, it's actually present on the user list right here, but it's commented out since it was not present on the design. So that is all from accomplishment today, sir. Thank you.